In this demonstration, we're going to build an invoice, and within that invoice include a Pay Now button. Let's show you how to do that. You can use any email program that you like to generate the invoice. For this demonstration, we're using Outlook. When your invoice is ready to send, it's time to head over to www.greatpay.com/pay button. As you can see, we have a small library of pay button images. Pick one that you like the look of, right-click it, and select Copy or Save Image. Now head back to your invoice page. Paste the image wherever you need it on your invoice. Change the size to suit your requirements, and then head over to your merchant control panel on greatpay.com. Once you've logged in, head up to Settings in the top left-hand corner. Select the Wizard payment page. In the top left-hand corner, we have Item to Pay For. This can be anything. You can name this Purchase, whatever your product is. For this demo, we'll just leave it as Purchase. Then we've got the transaction amount. This is how much you need to make the invoice out for, and for this demonstration, it's $119.99. Select your desired currency, in this case GBP, then select installments. For this example, it's 1, but if you were running a subscription model, you may make it 12, so it would be the transaction amount divided by 12. You can now choose between a sale or an authentication. A sale is a general transaction. An authentication would be a check to see whether the card had the available funds without debiting those funds. The merchant number is unique to you and cannot be altered. The trans comment or transaction comment is for your internal records, and you can place whatever you like there. The same with the transaction reference number. You can place whatever requirements you need there to find this transaction for your records. The redirect URL is where you want your customer to go to once they have submitted the payment of your invoice. So in this example, www.greatpay.com is where I'd want my customer to go after they've paid their invoice. You can leave this blank if you do not need to redirect one of your customers. The notify URL is never really used. It's predominantly there for clients who do thousands of invoice transactions using this process. The notification URL v2 is the same. Just leave them both blank. And skin number cannot be altered. Leave that as well. The mobile version is set to auto, and the signature should be a SHA256, and this is a safer way of transmitting data, so leave that alone as well. The terminal code is also for an internal reference. For this demonstration, we'll leave everything else blank, and we will select Generate URL. Highlight the URL that's being generated, right-click the mouse and copy the data. Now head back over to your invoice. Right-click on your Pay button and select the option that says Link. At the base of the box where it says Address, paste your URL into that area. Your Pay button is now active and you can send the invoice. Here's the email once it's been received by the recipient. Once they select Make a Payment, it will take you to the actual payment page. Your customer fills in the payment page. As you can see, it's £119.99, exactly the same as the invoice. This money is then credited to your account.